Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can install a plugin on a WordPress website. To install a plugin on a WordPress website, you need to log into your dashboard. Then you navigate to your plugins tab and click on the add new button here. Basically, there are two major ways of adding a plugin. One from the WordPress repo, and the second by uploading a zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the first, which is from the WordPress repository. So I'm going to go ahead and install Askimet anti-spam here. So click on install now. It takes a while and this downloads the plugin to your server, after which you can activate the plugin. So as you can see, this plugin has been installed. So if we go to our plugins, install plugins, you can see Askimet has been added here. So the other way of adding a plugin, you go back to that same add new page and you click on the upload button up here. Then you're supposed to select a zip file. That's a plugin in zip format. You only use this when you have a plugin from a third-party website like WordPress.org or from a plugin development company. So I'm going to go ahead and upload one here just to demonstrate. So I'm going to upload this auto optimize and I'll click on install now. So it does exactly the same thing, uploads it to your server, then you can activate the plugin. And as you can see over here, the plugin is successfully installed. You can also install your plugin via an FTP client, but that is a little bit advanced. In most cases, these two methods would do for any installation. Okay, that about wraps this tutorial up, and I'll see you in the next one.